Now that you've polished your app with actions, it's time to launch. Let's review your design and security settings and then ship this app to your first users. This video is a part of my Sales CRM course. Be sure to check out the full series by following the link in the description. All right, let's navigate to the settings tab to get this app ready for publishing. Let's start with the boring stuff, but the important stuff of security. We'll go to privacy here. This is going to control who can get into your app. If privacy is set to private, only users that you say can log in can actually log in. If it's set to public, then anybody who has the link can get access to the app. Since this is a CRM specifically for your internal business, you'll want to set your privacy to private. From there, you can specify where the list of users that can log in comes from. You can choose users in your team table. So that's what this is. Everybody that you specified as a team member, all of these emails could log in. Or you could choose something more custom, like allowing anyone who has your email domain to sign in. For this template, it's probably best just to start out with the default privacy settings. Now we can move on to the fun stuff of design. We'll start with the name and icon. Here you can customize the name of your app and upload a unique icon that matches your branding. From there, we can go to appearance and change the accent color of your app. You can choose a custom color here. You can change the layout, the style, the environment, width of your app, all of that you can customize right here in appearance. Once your design is good to go, you can publish it and give it a custom domain. We'll call this Darren's CRM and click publish. Later on, you can add your own custom domain to this project. And that's it. Now your CRM is live. Let's go ahead and click on this link to open it up in our web browser. I'm going to enter in my email, continue. That's going to send a pin to my email. And so I will enter that in and I'll click on sign in. And now I have access to my custom sales CRM. I can see my dashboard here, my pipeline, all of my accounts and my contacts. And now your custom sales CRM is ready to share with your team. All right, that is how to publish this app to your first users. To get access to the template for this project, be sure to check out the description below. In the next video, I'm going to be sharing resources to help you keep improving this app for your business.